I dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch them grow, perceive, devote.
So in this video, I'm going to cook a long soup. So we have here this one, green bean, or what do you call that? Munggo in Filipino. Yes, the octopus, dried octopus. Itong munggo is isuk muna natin sa water in 15 minutes. And also this octopus, dried octopus. And also we have here lotus root. This one, lotus root. Not yet washed, so I will wash it later. And also the pork, a pork bone. It's very important, the pork bone. Okay, and then the water is very important. More water. That one, yan ang water, madami kasi yung iba dyan, iba-blanch ko sa karne. Kasi bagong ilagay yung karne, dapat naka-blanch siya. Okay. The skin. Okay, then this one is a munggo. Put all the munggo. Okay. Yan. Put this. Until yan, just put it here. Oh my god. So this one done na siya. We just lock it through toothpick to. Ay, hindi pala ito siya kapal. Yan. So you see, lahat ng hole may munggo na siya. So we will put them together, connect it, and then we have to lock it through toothpick too. Just cut it toothpick and then lock this. Maybe aray piste. Sorry. Yan. And on this side. Ano ba to? This side. This side. Okay. Aya. Aya. Oh, no. This one. So, lock them together. Just lock. Okay. So, listen it. Oh my goodness. It's not good. Try it. Let's connect it. Lock it. That one. So we need to put a toothpick here. You see? Yeah. And also this side. Then connect each other, char. Connect each other. Oh my goodness. Sudan nyo eh. That one. Maybe this. Connect each other. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay, this is done.
I dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch them grow, perceive devote.